These are scary times. The political storm is sweeping through our nation. This storm is creating chaos, attacking the very fabric of our democracy. We are witnessing truth being mocked, our institutions being eroded, the flames of fear and hate and division being stoked. These flames undermine the rule of law, rewrite the meaning of justice, and trample on the rights and harm our neighbors and community. Shame, 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 shame. These times teach us how vulnerable our Constitution can be, and that the torch of liberty will not keep burning on its own, nor will the eagle soar if we let the winds of division and fear carry us down. If we let this storm divide us, demonize us, and turn us against each other, we will lose. Shame, 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 shame. America is made great through the power of is not made great by the power of one. Kings, despots, billionaires who sit above the people, concentrate power among the few, bend democracy to their will and benefit, act as if they are above the law and truth. This is tyranny. Shame, 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 shame. Shame. Our country was born from a revolution against tyranny, a nation built on the belief that no individual, no matter their wealth, their title, or their ego, should wield unchecked power over others. The real heroes of this country are not those with powers or titles. They are the ones who show up every day with their hands in the soil and their feet on the streets and their voices raised to the heavens. The real heroes are the construction workers who deserve a living wage. The real heroes are the healthcare workers who deserve access to the very services they provide. The real heroes are the teachers who deserve to live in the communities where they teach. The real heroes are the voters who deserve easy access to the polls and fair voting maps. And the real heroes are the activists, the protesters, the brave souls who stand up for justice, equity, and liberty. You are the people who remind us that democracy is not a spectator board. It is a struggle, a fight, an ongoing battle to ensure that we all enjoy the blessings of liberty for ourselves and our posterity. We are the heroes, ordinary people who do extraordinary things, day in, day out, in the name of democracy. We are the Republic, a government of the people, by the people, and for the people. We will not bow before any king, and we will not allow anyone to take our sovereignty. We are the heirs to the dream of America, the American dream that ensures every person counts, that every voice matters. It's time to ensure the dream of America becomes that promise. Let's stand for what is right, for what is just, and what is true. Let's stand for America. Together we are powerful. We stand for justice, freedom, equality, and when we do this, the eagle soars. The light of liberty shines bright, and because we win, because those fascists are cowards at heart, and when they see that we're not afraid, they will chicken out. Together we'll take back our democracy and make it perfect. Union. Tell me what democracy looks like.
This is what democracy looks like.
Tell me what democracy looks like.
This is what democracy looks like.
Tell me what democracy looks like.
This is what democracy looks like.
Let's dance.
Yeah, because I cannot dance.